Hi, my name's Alan Banks with Evans Skygill Homes. Your home's probably like ours. Over the past month, the word home now means something different. It means office, it means school, it means restaurant, and for even some of you, you're doing things in your home that you never thought you would, like a garage barber shop. Or maybe you found a creative use for some of that toilet paper which you hoarded, like one of our homeowners did here. Either way, I wanted you to know we're still building homes and we're still doing it in a safe manner. We've had no problems on our job sites with health or with safety. Everyone is cooperating with it. We are working through some delays at this point, but the good weather is certainly in our favor, and we feel very good about staying on task and building some great homes for you. Thank you.